Neithe wa Boniface Mwangi Kariuki, mwanake uria uraratheirwo mururungano-ini muthe wa keri, agitutariria cigi uria arakinyeirwo ni ndeto cia mwana wake kurathwo ni afitha wa borithi mbere ya kamera.
Kuna picha ilikuja ikawa ati amekufa na ikalete jina Boniface Kariuki. Sasa na hiyo kitu hata mimi nikaenda nikasikia hata machozi na mwagika. Nikaenda nikaigia gari. Kuigia gari nikapigiwa na jamaa mwingine akaniambia ameona hiyo simu, ameona nini huyu mtu ako theater.
Ougite ni acoketwo ni thayo hanini thutha wa kumenyithio muriu ario muoyo no handu haceke wodi-ini ya andu aria mehatikaini.
Nimemuona ICU. Sasa nimeona ako sawa, lakini siwezi sema sana juu hiyo ni machine na naona anapiga roho sasa, lakini at least nimekuwa na imani kidogo juu sio vile nilikuwa nafikiria na vile watu walikuwa wamesema.
Kuringana na munene wa thibitari wa Kenyatta ni mamukirite mundu wina nguraro cia kurathwo no matire marekira wira kana arathitwo na rithathi kana ni rithathi ya rafa.
Ni kwamba jeraha alilopata kutokana na kifaa hicho ambacho tunashuku kuwa ama tunadhani ni risasi iliweza kusababisha uharibifu wa mfupa wa ubongo. At this point in time, we were uncertain. Usually when we remove any foreign bodies from bodies of injured persons, they are submitted for analysis, and that is what we will establish. I can only say that we suspect it is rubber.
Ougite ndangihota gututariria gikiro kia nguraro iria enacio ona kana ugwati urio mukureire maitho no akongerera moko-ini ma rigitani aria matareheria maitho hariwe.
The actual types of injuries, but in total we got about 7 people that we think got injuries from projectiles, and as I mentioned, 4 of them were waiting to go to surgery. So they cannot determine what kind, whether it's live or not bullet. We haven't lost any of them, and I think we've discharged, if I'm not wrong, 2 that also had other injuries. I mean,
we want justice. Justice for Philip. Justice for Philip.
Maya magithiaga na mbere arutwo a university ni maingirite thibitari ucio na kurutorora umwe wao na uria ni mutongoria wa arutwo kuma university wa KU na komete thibitari-ini ucio ena nguraro cia kurathwo undu uria makumithitie.
I want to tell William Ruto that no amount of threats will threaten us. Yes. No amount of intimidation will intimidate us. Yes. The streets belongs to the people. Yes. And will be to the streets until you get out of power.
We are in deep pain seeing one Philip in bed, not because he's a thief, not because he robbed someone, not because he beat someone, neither not because he was fighting, but because he was in the street advocating for good governance and advocating for good leadership in the nation.
Streets, we've really asked for justice, but ni kama mtusiki.
Hamwe na ithe wa Mwangi maugite kiria marenda ni kihoto aria othe maragwetanio na njuragano ya Ojwang kana kurathana moerwo makinya marumu ma kiwatho.
Kwa hivyo unasikia uko na uchungu mingi na huyo Karau amefanya makosa na anafaa kuchukuliwa hatua kali.
Gukorwo Boniface Mwangi Kariuki muoyo ni undu humurite a Kenya makinyihanyihia marakara mao no magathingiriria bata wa gukorwo aria othe makuruhanitio na kugurario gwake moerwo makinya marumu ma kiwatho. Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma thibitari wa Kenyatta Zagwo Jenga Wambui.